here?
It is shorts and gator season. We're at Saddle Mountain, near the cusp, and we're heading up to the fire lookout to spend the night. Early June.
Hopefully a bear.
Saddleback Lookout Trail. We're walking on snow as we're coming out of the trees and getting little peeks of the lookout as we come up from underneath it. Just perched on the rock up there. Is that snow tasty?
She's peeking.
It's a steep one. This way, Nina, don't get stuck. This is quite the steep slope on the final snowfield before the top. Feels like it's 45 degrees going up here. And one fall would be a very long slide. Right to the rock wall underneath it. Nina is just rock scrambling like it's no big deal. Wow, this is so beautiful up here. This ridge, look how good that ridge looks.
Hey.
Oi! Come here, good girl. Wow, this is like absolutely beautiful inside.
We started at 12.
They really restored this so well.
Phew!
Yeah! And this guy comes up here in Blundstones. Probably the only person who's ever made it up here in Blundstones. I don't know, just a guess. And these boots are completely soaked. Best feeling in the world. Woo! I have visited several mountain huts run by the Alpine Club of Canada, but none of them you are allowed to bring a dog to. The benefit of this fire lookout is being able to bring a dog to the top, and she can stay inside with me.
The views.
This is incredible in here. It's in a really good state. It was upgraded in 2016, and it's very clean and beautiful. There's 360-degree views of mountains and windows on every side. And I think I might have found one of my new favorite places in BC. This is a pretty special place. And we're pretty glad for a warm night in the shelter. really glad we're inside right now because there's cold rain hitting the windows. And we're eating delicious oatmeal that you made. So thanks.
You can do it. You can do it. Go. Whoa. I hope that recorded because that was cool. Nina, you're too good at this. Can you jump over this?
You do it.
Jump.
It's really beautiful to be sitting next to the river and you're in hot water and the river is just freezing ice cold water and you're just sitting there soaking it in. It's beautiful.
They're really nice. Definitely love to come back here. They're free.
Yeah.
Not a long hike in here, and there's no one here.
And there are so many hot spring pools here. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 pools of all pretty big size, so there's a lot of people that could actually fit. We're just the only 2 people here. This place is so nice, it's hard to leave. I actually just want to stay all day.
Nice, he's usually turn.
Let's go see him.
Is there gonna fit through there? There you go.
On the ferry ride, we had a chance to reflect, and it felt like we had done so much in just 2 days. But it also made me realize how much more there is to do in the Kootenays.